Welcome back, guys. In this video we are going to talk about a Pinksale Finance. It's a decentralized launch trade where everyone can create coin via token, or everyone can raise fund for their project. So you have to keep in mind lots of things. So many things you have to keep in mind while investing in a launch trade project on Pinksale Finance. This video motive only to how to avoid a scam project. There are many scam project. What Pinksale have some guideline. What this is a decentralized platform, so where everyone can scam people. So what you should keep in mind, because recently we also discussed about a few projects also scam a huge amount, and they declared a honeypot also. So we have honeypot, basically we can buy but we cannot sell. So yeah, either in launchpad platform, if we invest in project, and we cannot say which will be honeypot, where we cannot say sell our token after the launching on Pinksale or decentralized exchanges. So how you can avoid just jump Satoshi token recently, a lifestyle token that launched on Pinksale Finance, and the project was honeypot, and the people invested $3.7 million. That's a huge amount, and now the people have token but they cannot sell. So it's not a matter of it's not a matter of a token that is honeypot, rug pull, or so we are going to talk about soft rug pull, and fake KYC and fake audit. So lots of things you have to keep in mind while investing. So right now we are going to live discussion and of the these are the trending coins. You can see GMTH. These are the 12. So this is the number one. So let's see. I click on this gem token. What is this, and should you invest this or not? This is my opinion. So this not I'm not deprecate, I'm not demoralizing, and I'm not this video is my opinion only. So this is the Zim Move token fair launch. So basically a fair launch, it means a price for everyone is same. So first of all, you what you have to okay, so first of all, this is only audit. This is only audit is given, no KYC. So Zim Move token is don't have KYC with Pinksale Finance and any reputable KYC company. So okay, so now just a quick review how you can choose which will be. Don't see the how many people are buying. People are really blind. They don't know what should they just want 200x 10x and whatever. So they are just throwing their money into a garbage. So there's a no KYC, only audit. So next one is what? So next one is this token is a pre-sale address. Okay, this token address. Okay, so now next one is the total supply is 50 million GYM token for pre-sale. So this is the number of pre-sale, and say approximately 70 million want to. Token for liquidity is this is just a half of the approximately half of pre-sale. So soft cap, okay, 150 BNB. A max owner receive is 290 BNB. Okay, my owner can receive 290 maximum. Okay, apart from this they have to so what it mean, means right now the project is raised for 445 VNB, so out of which the owner can receive 290 and remaining will be in liquidity. But here is liquidity percent is 51, so which is the higher one. The owner will uh, add liquidity in pool. So 51%, which is the higher. Okay, 290 is higher, so they will add. If 251 is higher, so they will add liquidity according to their rules, norms. Okay, so let's check. So next one you have to keep in mind. So pre-sale is start, this is, you have to keep in mind the pre-sale is start on 4/5/2022. So and pre-sale is going to end in 7. So it's a 2-day. Okay, okay, so 2-day pre-sale, so it's already 1 day. It's just, okay, sorry, so this is a three-day pre-sale. Okay, duration of pre-sale is 3 days. So what you will keep in mind, if the pre-sale time is smaller, so definitely that will give you the a good return. Basically in a pre-sale, and if time is smaller, so the hive is used, so the soft cap and the hard cap will be achieved so fast. So people in a longer duration, people have to time decide and do marketing, so sale goes for longer time, so people buy the same token for higher price. So 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 when the at the time of launching, the price performance for is will not going to be as per expectation. So we see lots of project on at the time of listing dump. The reason behind this, people expected they can gain good return, but afterward the return will not always higher because of number of people invested, a huge number of people invested, and the period of the sale is longer. So okay, so next what will you do? So next one, you have to keep in mind this lock and unlock. So this unlock time is on 31st. This token will be unlocked, and uh, uh, means 5th month is May 31st, so 10 million token will be unlocked, and the 7th month July and 31st, this will be unlocked, and this will be unlocked in 1st January 2023. So you have to keep in mind what will the team do with this token at the time of unlocking. If they dump, is really we can see huge dump. Okay, so next one you have to see. So I think so you have to see the same project. The total supply is 50 million. So right, current rate 1 BNB is 38,000 ZIM token. So if the time is still, if the team raise is a double of fund, so the price will be half. So price will be half if they okay, we can calculate this one. Okay, so how can you calculate this? So right now the total for pre-sale, okay, this one. So how can you calculate the price? Okay, so think about, if they raise 800 BNB, the end of pre-sale time. So how can you, so this is the token, so we can approach 17 million. So right now just write down 17 million. 17 million divided by So team, we are saying 800. So the rate of 1 BNB, the people who will invest will get 21,000 approximately same token. So right now we can see, so 1 BNB, so we can also find 1 BNB is right now 380. Okay, so divided by 21,000. Okay, so we can see 0.18 cent, approximately 0.18 cent. So we can multiply 50 million, we can see the total M cap. So we divided by 50 million. So at the time of listing, the total M cap is around $1 million. So they're really a huge one for the project that are raising fund from Launchpad. In my opinion, if you really want to gain a 10x, 5x, the total M cap should be of 500k, just of half of it, or so that time you can gain and create a hive. But I don't think that if you get 1 BNB, if there is 800 BNB, so that will be profitable for this token. Or the risk one is there is no KYC. So if the KYC with Pinksale Finance is not, so you have to avoid the token. Next one is this. Let's see this one. So it's not guaranteed that KYC plus audit with a Pinksale Finance you can gain handsome amount, handsome return. But if the people in a fair launch, if they don't find the good return, they can dump and out of the project. So we can see some red candle at the time of launching. And second thing, if you really want, you have to avoid high slippage or high taxes project, because high taxes like 10% on wire, 10% on sell, 20% wire, 20% sell. So if the people don't like at the time of listing, so you can stuck in that project for the longer time. Your money will be blocked for longer time until or unless the people buy that project. So stay away from high slippage, high taxes. Just if you want to really invest, you have to choose a token that will have the low slippage or low taxes, just like 1%, 2% wire, 2% sell. Maximum we can say the 10% is fair one. 5% on wire, 5% on sell is sufficient one. If you see the token with that percentage above, don't invest in that token. Okay, so just don't run behind the people who are buying this. You can see the 3 days is remaining and people are buying blindly, but they don't know what's this token. People are crazy behind the API of this annual per year, annual pay, annual API, annual return we cannot expect. These are the all creating hype in market by just giving a unrealistic percentage. But that token will not sustainable for the longer time because the inflation will be huge. So stay away from such type of token. Yeah, every token cannot maintain the inflation, economy or ecosystem for the project for the longer time. So I just tell you, you have to keep in mind all things. So next one is the Genesis dog. This is a mammoth token. Okay, so there's still a 2-day lab. People just put the amount, and you have to keep in mind all these things before investing. So no KYC, no audit, I will not recommend. As a KYC and audit with the Pinksale Finance, but you have to keep in mind, is this really will be profitable? And second thing, you have to keep in mind the slippage or taxes before investing in this one. The 4R is remaining, no one invest. So upcoming, this sale is upcoming. Okay, so this is a fair launch. So next thing you have to keep in mind, this will go for 5 days. So 5 days, this will go for 5 days. It's a huge time. The people will definitely, if the team owner and the team is create a hype in the market, the people will put more BNB. So if the team is getting a more BNB, it doesn't mean the investor will get a good return in this case. So fair launch is basically a good opportunity for the project owner. They raise a huge amount if the pre-sale time duration is longer, but the time duration is long, the investor will not get a good return. Okay, so you have to keep in mind all these things, so don't fall in. Okay, so if everything is perfect, so you have to keep and read the audit detail. Audit detail should be from reputable company of audit. Okay, so don't go for, because the audit company and some just we also discuss about the fake audit. The team owner can put here fake owner, here nothing is realistic. So you have to keep in mind, you have to thoroughly read the audit. Audit is really a genuine, and find out and go to the audit company. So they just ask the manager of that company, they audited the particular, they audit a particular company, yes or no. If they did the audit of that particular company, they definitely say yeah. If they have any confusion, if they have not clear answer, you can see that something is facing here. KYC, we can also say the KYC, the Pinksale, it doesn't mean the document is original. It may be fake, it may be someone else. So you have to also keep in mind that KYC and audit both are very important. So don't fall in the name of KYC or audit, because they may be fake and you will be in trap if you invest. So it's a very you have to cautiously on Pinksale Finance. If you really want to invest in project, you can participate in direct ICO, can participate in initial node offering. You can also participate in launchpad platform, the private launchpad platform, where they do proper KYC, they doc, and just keep in mind, just focus on docs, docs KYC, docs team. If they have proper LinkedIn account, they have proper Facebook account, they have Twitter for the longer time. Okay, so next thing you have to see this one. Let's check in the Twitter. So I think they created Twitter in this month. I hope so. So we can see here, so just see, so the Twitter was created in June, joined December 2014, but let's see, but it 2014 to now only 220 tweets. Okay, these guy cannot do 222 tweets, but they have been working since long time on the project. They are creating and developing this token since long time. Oh guys, they are really so we can expect this they are going Twitter, but you can see this one Jim. You can check their Twitter. Let's see the Twitter when was created. Okay, you can see here they joined April 2022, guys. So what will you think about this? They joined. I think these developer are copy paste and they are taking advantage of hype of move to earn platform. They just joined in April 2022. So I will not recommend anyone to join this token because this is a really a new and the developer may be, and this one will be a scam also because there is no KYC with the Pinksale or any other audit company. So you have to keep in mind if you really want and if you don't want to lose your hard money. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like,